In this guide, we will show you how to hide formulas in Excel. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. To start, select the entire worksheet by clicking the triangle in the top left corner. Next, go to the Home tab. Move to the right and click on Format. Select Format Cells. Then go to the Protection tab, uncheck the Locked option and press OK. Click on any cell to deselect everything. Go back to the Home tab, click on Find and Select and choose Go to Special. Select Formulas and click OK. This will highlight all cells containing formulas. Go back to Format, click Format Cells again and return to the Protection tab. This time check the Hidden option and press OK. Now go to the Review tab. Click on Protection Sheet and enter a password. Confirm the password when prompted. Now, when you click on any cell containing a formula, the formula will not be visible in the formula bar. If you found this useful, please leave a like and thanks for watching.